बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं डॉक्टर नैयर इकबाल। स्टूडेंट्स हम टाइप 7 पढ़ रहे हैं। रेडिकल इक्वेशंस का सलूशन हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं। अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने टू क्वेश्चंस वी सॉल्व्ड टू क्वेश्चंस एंड दिस लेक्चर इज़ आल्सो इन कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ द previous lecture. So in this lecture we shall practice two more questions of this type 7. So see how we solve these two questions. Okay students, this is lecture number 23. हम क्वेश्चन 8 स्टार्ट करते हैं टाइप 7 का। हम टाइप 7 पढ़ रहे हैं जिसमें तीनों क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर होते हैं। ओके, हेयर इज़ लीनियर फैक्टर, डोंट वरी, might be possible 2x plus 1 may be here, may be here. So we solve this question solution. How to solve this question? First of all हम इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे और इस रकम को भी हम फैक्टराइज करेंगे. So consider 2x square minus 5x minus 3. This is this can be written as that is minus, इसको फैक्टराइज करते हैं. So we have minus 6. Therefore 2x square minus 6x plus x and minus 3. So we can take 2x common, so we have x minus 3 plus 1 and x minus 3. Therefore x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. No, okay, this is linear factor and here this one, इसको भी हम फैक्टराइज करते हैं. So 2x square 25x plus 12, that is 2x square plus 24x plus x plus 12. From here you can take 2x common, so we have x plus 12 plus 1, that is x plus 12 and 2x plus 1 and x plus 12. This is the given equation. So a given equation becomes, that is, so given equation becomes x minus 3 square root and 2x plus 1 square root plus 3 2x plus 1 square root, that is equal to 2x plus 1 square root and x plus 12 square root. So students देखें, ये 2x plus 1 2x plus 1 और 2x plus 1 square root ये कॉमन है, इसे हम कॉमन निकालते हैं. So see here, this is x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 plus 3 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 and x plus 12, this is equal to 0. From here we can take 2x plus 1 as a common factor. So we have plus 3 minus x plus 12, this is equal to 0. From here if we have this factor equal to 0, that means 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and which means x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is one of the root here. Now x minus 3 plus 3 minus x plus 12, that is equal to 0. So this can be written as x minus 3 plus 3, this is equal to x plus 12 square root. So we scaring, you know, if we take its square, we have x minus 3 plus 9 plus 6 x minus 3, that is equal to x plus 12. So we have this x can be cancelled and we have 6 x minus 3, 6x minus 3 square root, and this is equal to 12 minus 6. So only x minus 3 square root, this is equal to 1. So squaring we have x minus 3 that is equal to 1, which shows we have x is equal to minus 4. Therefore, its solution set will be plus 4. So solution set is minus 1 by 2 and 4. There is no extra root if you check this question. Now we come to the question 9. We solve question 9 solution. इन तीनों फैक्टर्स, ये जो तीनों रेडिकल साइन के नीचे क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल हैं, क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म्स हैं, इनको हमने फैक्टराइज करना है. सो 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 2 दैट कैन बी फैक्टराइज्ड एज so we take 3x common, x minus 1 minus 2 common, x minus 1, which gives x minus 1 and 3x minus 2. Now we take second term, that is 6x square minus 11x plus 5. Therefore 6x square minus 6x, 5x plus 5. You see 6x कॉमन ले लें, x minus 1 minus 5 कॉमन ले लें, x minus 1. So 6x minus 5 and x minus 1. Now we take the third, that is 5x square minus 9x plus 4, that is 5x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 4. So we take 5x common, we have x minus 1 minus 4 common, we have x minus 1, and so we have 5x minus 4 and x minus 1. So the given equation becomes becomes x minus 1 into 3x minus 2, its square root, and then plus 6x minus 5 and x minus 1, its square root. This is equal to 5x minus 4 and x minus 1, its square root. तो स्टूडेंट देखें ये x minus 1, x minus 1 और ये x minus 1, दिस इज़ कॉमन फैक्टर. सो वी हैव 3x minus 2 plus 6x minus 5, x minus 1 minus 5x minus 4 and x minus 1, this is equal to 0. We take x minus 1 square root as a common factor, so we have plus 6x minus 5 minus 5x minus 4, this is equal to 0. So this factor, this implies x minus 1 equal to 0. ये स्केलिंग करने से ना ये स्क्वायर रूट ख़त्म हो जाता है. So we have x is equal to 1. Now we take this term which is in this bracket, 3x minus 2 plus 6x minus 5 and minus 5x minus 4, this is equal to 0, which can be written as x minus 2 plus 6x minus 5, this is equal to 5x minus 4. Students, this is your type number 6. Same. What we do? Take 2 times square on both sides. So therefore squaring on both sides. So we have 3x minus 2 plus 6x minus plus 2 times 3x minus 2 and 6x minus 5 its square root. This is equal to 5x minus 4. Therefore 9x minus 5x minus 7 plus 4, this is equal to minus 2. राइट हैंड साइड पे इसको ले जाते हैं, दैट इज़ 18x स्क्वायर माइनस 15x माइनस 12x प्लस 10. So students, see here 4x minus 3, this is equal to minus 2, and 18x square minus 27x plus 10, squaring again on both sides. So we have 16x square plus 9 minus 24x, this is equal to 4 into 18x square minus 27x plus 10. Now we simplify, that is 16x square plus 9 minus 24x, 72x square minus plus 40. So 72x square minus 16x square minus 108x plus 24x plus 40 minus 9, this is equal to 0. So we have 56x square minus 84x plus 31, this is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and it cannot be factorized, so you can use a quadratic formula. So by using quadratic formula, we have 84 plus minus 84 square minus 4, and we have A is 56 and C is 31 divided by 2 into 56. So in this way we have 84 plus minus. Students, this calculation by using calculator easily you can do. So 756 minus 6944 divided by 112. So we have 84 plus minus 112 and 112. This can be written as 84 plus minus 47 square root divided by 112. This can be more simplified, that is 21 if you divide by 4, that is 21 plus minus 7 and divided by this is. Students, these roots are, remember, extra roots, you can easily check. So these roots are extra roots. On verification, therefore solution set, यहाँ भी x लिखते हैं. So solution set is only one root because these two are extra roots. Okay students, inshallah next lecture में हम एक न्यू टाइप स्टडी करेंगे. सो टेक केयर, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. मीट यू इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.